Ipakausap ko lang sa Isipulong. Kausap siya. Tsaka
directly to.
That's for the courts to determine, sir. Let's go, sir, please. As a former president, sir, as a prosecutor, and a highly regarded president, sir, and prosecutor.
Let me ask you a direct question. Where are you bringing it?
I'm bringing you to the Hague, sir, the Netherlands.
That's impossible. Magkakaroon.
Please, sir, we have already settled that. The decision has been made. Hindi ho ito. Andiyan naman, sir, ang mga lawyers mo. Nakita naman nila, sir.
It's a decision of...
Sir. I have 4 slots. Sir, you can bring four members of your... Including you, sir, 4. We have 4 slots for you.
No. You know, Andre, I'm sick. I'm sickly.
May doctor tayo, sir? May dalawang doctor?
80 years old. Hindi lumalabas ng ano ang
sila. Let them speak.
I'm sickly. You have to determine first if I am fit for travel.
Yes, sir. We're going to ask our doctor now, sir, to examine you. If you will allow us, sir. Ito, sir, ang doctor natin, sir. Colonel Rico.
Asan ang mga gamit mo?
Isang surgeon, sir.
You cannot... Alam mo, ang history ng health ng tao, hindi nakakuha ng
tingin,
ocular
inspection.
You have to go to my doctor.
Hospital muna.
Let him explain.
Tignan mo ang record. Sabihin mo ang gobyerno, titignan mo na yung record. Hindi pwede yung gano'n. Gestapo yan. Alam mo kung gagawin sa'yo yan, hindi ka malituyahan yan. Why bring me to the Hague when may court of first instance to the
Doktor niya.
Yung doktor niya, papuntahin nyo, tawagin nyo. Hindi, tawagan ko.
Doktor niya ang kailangan niya.
Diyos ko, anong klase yan? Vital signs lang? Ganyan, ocular ninyo?
Madami siyang sakit, kailangan niya yung doktor niya.
Mga medicines niya hindi pa ready.